News tonight, Dashcam video shows Arkansas State Police detaining a woman at gunpoint for a crime that she did not commit. Those actions have led to a federal lawsuit. 5 News reporter Laura Castleman joining us now in the studio to talk about this and visiting with a law enforcement expert today, not connected to the case. And Laura, he says these officers were in the wrong.
That's right, Darren. Peyton Malia accuses them of violating her Fourth Amendment rights, claiming she and her son, who was in her car as all of this unfolded, feared for their lives. 5 News obtained 2 different dashcam videos showing the moment state police surrounded Peyton Malia's car in a Casey's parking lot back in July of 2024. The officers drew their guns, cuffed her, and told her to get on the ground.
That apple airtag.
Seconds later, one of the troopers says they surrounded the wrong car.
This isn't it?
You can hear Malia's 4-year-old son crying in the background. Once officers realize she's not who they're looking for, they take off the cuffs and then tell her that they were looking for a double homicide suspect in a car like hers. She's let out of the cuffs and then asked for her driver's license. We talked with the law enforcement training expert Dr. Randy Nelson, who says the officer didn't have that right.
You have a right not to be searched or detained or anything if you haven't done anything.
After seeing the video, Nelson says what was a huge misunderstanding went farther than that, especially after the troopers learned that they had the wrong car.
Some of the actions after, the actions of now you have something to tell, or running a check on her, see for warrant or any criminal activity after they knew she was not the individual looking for.
You have a little story to tell.
Malia has filed a federal lawsuit accusing 4 troopers of unreasonable and excessive deadly force in a busy Casey's parking lot.
It wasn't the right person, nor did it turn out to be the right car. After all that was found out, that's where you have to get into running the check on and see if she had a warrant or suggestion that now you have something to tell.
According to the court documents, officers were looking for a 2013 white Lincoln MKZ. Malia drove a white 2009 Lincoln MKS. Visibly shaken up, the video shows Malia complying with all of their commands.
All right, y'all are free. Okay. We apologize for the inconvenience.
That woman and her child were traumatized by this incident, and we have to do everything in our power to ensure that unintended consequences of making a mistake does not go beyond the pale.
We reached out to Arkansas State Police, who said the officers involved in the incident are still employed by the agency. We reached out to Malia and her attorney, who declined to comment. We have the full dashcam video on 5newsonline.com. Laura Castleman, 5 News.